Okay, this video is for anyone that's experiencing an intermittent gear. Mine was 5th gear. Some people have 6th, 1st, whatever, it doesn't matter. The fix was actually quite simple. So this is the gear position sensor. When you open it up, well, when you peel all that shit away, so when you peel the seal away, you'll notice that the contacts that are in there, the way they're soldered in, they're pretty shit, to be honest. Like, they're about half the size of these. So I've already soldered these back in. I mean, literally, it was like half the size. I'll throw in the photos. And I didn't actually mean to take a video. I wasn't even planning on doing this, so forgive me. I don't have any video of me doing it. This was kind of just an afterthought, but I thought, you know what, at least if I explain it and I can show you guys and give a bit of information, the rest of it's simple. Just clean it all out. I broke off this one and this one. I left the other 4 still intact, but all I did was add on to the solder. I used flux as well, and I just made sure the contacts were nice and clean as well. Give this a bit of a clean too. You can just use some maybe like 2000 grit, or even the back of a pencil, so like the rubber, or racer tip, whatever you want to call it. That works well too. And I'll also include the video flying for the gears. It works perfectly now. So yeah, save yourself 40 USD. Don't bother buying one. You will need to get some new sealant though, and I don't actually have any. So what I'm doing is I'm just going to put Tarzan's grip in there. I know it's a bit backyard, but until I can get some sealant, that'll have to do.
To the